This question comes from Max, who asks, what if black holes could be used for travel?
It's a wild idea, but let's dive into what that might actually mean. Black holes are the most extreme objects in the universe, regions where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. So how could they possibly help us move through space?
First, let's talk about gravity. A black hole's gravity is extreme near its event horizon, the point of no return. If you get too close, you'd be stretched and compressed in a process called spaghettification. But at a safe distance, the gravity can act like a cosmic slingshot. If we could precisely navigate around a black hole, we could accelerate spacecraft to speeds impossible with conventional engines.
This concept is similar to gravity assist maneuvers we already use. Saturn and Jupiter's gravity can boost spacecraft in our solar system.
Now, imagine amplifying that effect with a black hole. Theoretically, a spacecraft could slingshot around a black hole and gain nearly the speed of light, reaching distant star systems in a fraction of the time it would normally take.
But there are some huge challenges. Black holes bend space and time. Time near a black hole moves slower compared to far away, a phenomenon known as time dilation.
If you traveled close to a black hole, you might return to find that years, decades, or even centuries had passed in the rest of the universe. This isn't just science fiction, it's real physics, predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity.
Radiation is another problem. As matter falls into a black hole, it forms an accretion disk that emits intense X-rays and gamma rays. Getting too close without protection would fry anything in seconds. We'd need shielding beyond anything humans have built before, something that could survive the extreme radiation and gravitational forces. Now, let's imagine we've solved these problems. Black holes could become interstellar highways. A network of black holes scattered across the galaxy could act as nodes.
You'd jump from one black hole to another, slingshotting through space at near-light speeds. It's faster than warp drives, faster than any rocket we can imagine, essentially riding the fabric of space-time itself.
But there's a twist. Not all black holes are safe. Stellar mass black holes are relatively small, and their gravity changes sharply over tiny distances. Supermassive black holes, like the one at the center of our galaxy, are much more forgiving. The tidal forces near the event horizon are weaker, making them safer for theoretical near-horizon travel. So, if humans ever use black holes as transport, we'd aim for the biggest ones.
There's also the idea of wormholes, hypothetical tunnels connecting distant parts of the universe. Some scientists speculate that black holes could lead to wormholes. If that were true, you could enter one side and emerge light years away, almost instantly.
The tricky part? We have no proof wormholes exist, and even if they do, keeping them open for travel might require negative energy, something we've never managed to produce in large quantities.
Let's talk visuals. Approaching a black hole would be a surreal experience. You'd see stars bending around it, creating an Einstein ring, a circle of light formed by gravitational lensing.
Your view of the galaxy behind the black hole would be stretched, warped, and amplified in a way that no telescope on Earth could ever capture. The experience would be both beautiful and terrifying, like flying through a cosmic kaleidoscope.
Time and navigation would be tricky too. Even slight miscalculations could send you spiraling into the event horizon or slingshotting into intergalactic space.
Computers would have to calculate trajectories in real time, accounting for extreme relativistic effects, radiation, and gravitational tides. Human reflexes alone wouldn't be enough. The upside? If we mastered black hole travel, interstellar exploration would become possible within human lifetimes.
We could reach nearby star systems, explore exoplanets, and even study distant galaxies firsthand. Black holes would go from objects of fear to tools of exploration.
the ultimate cosmic accelerators.
And there's a philosophical angle too. Traveling near a black hole would make us confront the extremes of physics and the nature of reality itself.
Time, space, and gravity would behave in ways our everyday intuition can't grasp. It would be a journey not just through the galaxy, but through the very fabric of the universe.
So, what if black holes could be used for travel? We'd gain unmatched speed, the ability to explore distant star systems, and a front-row seat to the strangest physics in the universe.
At the same time, we'd face enormous risks from gravity, radiation, and relativistic effects. It would be both the ultimate adventure and the ultimate gamble, venturing into the unknown using the most extreme objects in existence.
In the end, black holes remind us that the universe is vast, powerful, and full of possibilities. If humans ever learn to ride them safely, our place among the stars would change forever.